In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a glow effect on your text. First of all, you have to create your text. If you want to do that, you want to head down here, you want to select this and type in your text. After you have done this, you want to click on blending options and you want to navigate down to the outer glow. I have now selected my outer glow and then you can adjust it. You can adjust the opacity. You can adjust the noise. I normally keep the noise at 0. You can select your gradient if you want a blue glow. You can select your spread and you can select your size. You want to keep your spread down to avoid those hard corners on your glow. And you can select the range and you can select the jitter. If it doesn't show up, you have to click on the blend mode and you have to click on normal. You can also use other blend modes, but as you can see, it doesn't always work. So I just use normal. After this, I can click on OK, and I have now added outer glow to my text.